making your own do-it-yourself body wash. Stay tuned and I'll show you 2 recipes. This will be good for anybody that wants natural, no chemical body washes, or if you have sensitive skin.
Hi, I'm Sherry, and this is Buddy, top dog of Lucky Dog Creations.
Hello friends, today I'm going to be doing another couple DIY body washes. They will be all natural with no chemicals. But before we get started, I wanted to thank all my subscribers. That really helps me out. It helps build my channel, and it's free for you to do. Okay, let's get started, shall we? Now the first thing we're going to add is 1/3 cup Castile soap. And I would recommend the pure Castile soap that's unscented that you can get at Amazon, and not the Castile soap base that comes from Hobby Lobby. That is more for like the cold pressed soaps. So 1/3 cup Castile soap. And the Castile soap is natural, and we use that for the lathering. And next we'll be using 1/3 cup raw honey. And you want it to be the raw honey because that does not have anything added to it. Now honey is a natural moisturizer. It nourishes the skin. It is an antibacterial. It reduces inflammation, has healing properties to soothe sunburns. 1/3 cup raw honey. I'll go ahead and put that in there. And next we'll be using 1/3 cup olive oil. Olive oil is extra moisturizing. It nourishes the skin, and you won't have to moisturize your skin after you get out of the shower. 1/3 cup olive oil. And then we'll go ahead and mix that up. Okay, so it is all mixed up. And the last ingredient is 30 to 60 drops of essential oil. Now you can use whatever essential oils that you would like, but I wanted to use ones that are good for the skin. So I'm going to be using chamomile, vanilla, mandarin, and lavender. Okay, the first thing I'm going to add is 10 drops of vanilla. Now vanilla is anti-aging. It prevents and reverses skin damage caused by free radicals. It helps slow down aging like wrinkles and age spots. So I'll do 10 drops of that. And next I'm going to be using 20 drops of lavender. Lavender reduces inflammation, it is calming, and it stimulates new cell growth. So 20 drops of that. Okay, 20 drops of lavender. And next I'm going to be doing 10 drops of chamomile. Chamomile soothes skin irritation and it calms the skin. And 10 drops of chamomile. And the last one is going to be mandarin, 20 drops. It renews the complexion and it stimulates the growth of new skin cells. And it has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. 20 drops of mandarin. And then we'll go ahead and get it fully stirred up, incorporate all of the scents, and then we'll go ahead and put it in a jar. Okay, here's the finished product. It didn't quite make 8 ounces, but you can always increase the recipe or get a smaller bottle. I'm using an amber bottle because it will help the UV rays stay away from the essential oils. That breaks the essential oils down. I recommend usually using glass containers anytime you use essential oils, but for the shower, this will be second best. You always just want to make sure before you use it, just go ahead and shake it up. Make sure that the honey is all mixed up with the other ingredients. And this has a shelf life of 1 year. Let's get on to the next one, shall we? Okay, so now we're ready for the next body wash. And the first ingredient is going to be 1.5 cups of Castile soap. And Castile soap is what we use for the natural lathering. 1.5 cups. And you want to make sure that you use pure Castile soap that you can get from Amazon and not the soap base from Hobby Lobby, because that's made more towards cold pressed soaps. 1.5 cups Castile soap. Then the next thing that we're going to add is 4 teaspoons of glycerin. And glycerin it bonds with water to moisturize. It's excellent for dry skin. It heals the skin and enhances appearance. 4 teaspoons of glycerin. And the last ingredient is going to be 20 drops of essential oil. Now you can use whichever kind of essential oil that you would like. I like to use the ones that are going to be good for the skin. So I chose peppermint and ylang ylang. And I'm going to do 10 drops of each. Now peppermint freshens the skin and it's effective against acne. So I'm going to do 10 drops of that. And you can also use more or less depending on how strong you want the scent. Peppermint is a pretty strong scent, so I figure 10 should be good for that. And then ylang ylang prevents excessive dryness and oiliness, and it soothes inflammation and irritation. And I'm going to do 10 drops of that. And then go ahead and stir that up. Get it fully incorporated. And that's all the ingredients there are in this. Body washes are really easy to make. They're natural. They're good for you. They're good for the environment. They smell good. And they're cheaper to make than probably buying a bottle of body wash. Especially if you have, the ingredients already for your other do-it-yourself projects. Okay, and then we're just going to go ahead and pour it into the bottle. I have an 8-ounce amber bottle, and I have a little funnel here so I won't make a mess, hopefully. And just pour that in. And here we have it. It filled up more than an 8-ounce bottle, so I went ahead and put the rest in a 3-ounce travel size, so you can go ahead and take that on your travels with you. Now you can keep these for yourself. You can give them as gifts if you know of anybody that has sensitive skin. Usually the sensitive skin is because of the chemicals. You can go ahead and give these to them, and that will help them out a lot. If you like this video, please subscribe, hit the bell so you can get notices of my future videos. Thumbs up, thumbs down, comments and suggestions are always welcome. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.